Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods, and I've come out into the garden today. It's September. It's the most amazing sky. There's these amazing cloud formations today. It's kind of sunshine and dark and backlit clouds, and it's wonderful. If I was inside just looking from the inside out, I might think, oh, it's not a very nice day, and I wouldn't bother. But because I've come out to work in the garden, I'm aware of it, and it's beautiful. And that's another reason, I believe, to do your own gardening, either to grow a flower garden for pleasure or to grow vegetables, is that it takes you out. It takes you out at times when you wouldn't necessarily want to go out. It's all warm and cozy inside and don't really feel like it, but I have to go and water the tomatoes, I have to go and bring in the vegetables for dinner, and so I come out and I capture this amazing moment. Every day is different, every moment is different, and that's a privilege. It's like walking a dog. You've got to go and walk the dog every day. I have to come out here every day and pick some herbs, and what it goes from being a I have to having the privilege to do that. It brings me down to earth. It brings me down to earth to come out to the vegetable garden and think about what really matters, what's really important. And the British news is full at the moment of momentous changes that are happening in Britain. It's a very significant time. I'm kind of aware of it, but I avoid the news. I don't listen to the news as a policy. So I don't really know what's happening, but I am aware that there's all this stuff going on, and I want to remain outside of it, because to me this is the news. This is the real news. What's really important is clean air to breathe, water to drink and to grow the plants, and the soil. And if any of those three things get messed up, we're all in big trouble. They're our most precious resources. And so coming out to the garden reminds me every day, this is the news. The changing seasons, how well one crop has done this year to the next. Producing food has got to be our main priority. And having a reason to come out here every day and spend some time in nature, even if I don't go for a walk, just being in nature, even if it's a balcony with a few pots, even if it's a tiny backyard, even if it's a window box, it brings us down to earth. And I'm very grateful that I have the opportunity to do that. I can hear sirens, I can hear planes, but I'm just going to leave it in because I don't edit these. I don't fancy them up. It's as it was. I'll show you what the vegetable garden looks like.